Welcome to the Geometry of Genesis, where we decode the divine mathematics of the protoverse based on the dimensions 37 by 73. The simplicity of the words conceals the infinite depth of the mind of God. The protoverse equation takes the raw data of creation. Each letter serves as a digit, and each word a sum. The total weight of the first verse of the Bible is exactly 2,701. The prime keys are 37 and 73, known as the 3-7 code. They are the only prime factors of 2,701 and are star numbers, physically forming a Star of David. This is the triangle of creation, specifically the 73rd triangle. Jenkins' containment shows that the verse physically contains its own mathematical echoes. The final phrase, "and the earth," fits perfectly inside the total sum of the 37th triangle, the core. The hexagon and the creation week illustrate the 6 days of creation. The geometry shows God and the heavens surrounding the earth, as if in gestation. The heavens sum to 1998, which is 666 plus 666 plus 666. The earth sums to 703. Here we are reimagining the boundary of 666. In this architecture, 666 is a symbol of connection, not evil. It is the bridge, the mathematical boundary connecting the divine heavens to the physical earth, representing the deep, abiding wisdom of God. The calculation is 901, heaven, minus 235, earth, which equals 666. This is the signature of the architect. The math of the Old Testament creation perfectly houses the identity of the New Testament Savior. The values for Jesus, 888, Jesus of Nazareth, the Messiah, 1110, and Christ, 1480, are built into the walls of the protoverse. The triaxial symmetry and the Trinity show that the configuration is intensely Trinitarian. The 3-7 code ensures that every angle reflects the triune nature of God. The combined angle sums of the axes is 2,368, the value for Jesus Christ. The cube of creation shows that the blueprint works in 3 dimensions. The void in the center of the creation hexagon is a 3D representation of the Creator's name. 64 units multiplied by 37, the prime key, equals 2,368, which is Jesus Christ. Stellations, the star of stars. 37 and 73 are star numbers, and when squared they produce a, quote, star of stars. The design is holographic. The part contains the whole. A 337 type star fractal points to 373, the logos. The voice in the negative space features the type 37 hexagon. The count of the negative space is 84 hexagons. 84 is the ordinal sum of I am that I am. What is not there is as important as what is. Even the empty space speaks the name of God. The cross and the constellation is a miracle of history. The symbol of the cross, shown in the Jesus constellation and the layout of the Book of Revelation, including the 24 elders, are mathematically anticipated in the first 7 words of the Bible. Integration with English demonstrates that the code transcends time and language. The same geometric patterns hold true when applied to English. The triangular wedges of this shape sum to 296, the earth, in Hebrew. Jesus Christ in English Gematria equals 925. The golden ratio and the dodecagon show a 12-sided figure, representing the 12 tribes and 12 disciples. The biblical approximate of phi, the golden ratio, is 1.6. Multiplying 1480, Christ, by 1.6 equals 2,368, Jesus Christ. The structure follows universal laws of beauty and proportion. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1 is an orchestrated virtuosity. It is the peerless integer, mathematically peerless, geometrically perfect, and theologically specific. As Aristotle said, the mathematical sciences particularly exhibit order, symmetry, and limitations, and these are the greatest forms of the beautiful.